This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a reclining couch that won't recline, and the one here on the side works good, the one on the other side works good, but the one in the middle, the handle has broken off. So it's located down inside here. And here's the new one. So we just have to separate basically these two so we can put in this new handle assembly, and it's not too hard to do. We'll show you how to get these separated. So to do the repair, we have to disconnect these two, and to do that we have to just get the machine the couch away from the wall. So they're all hooked together, they all will move as a unit. So it's engaged right now, and the trick is to take this one is the one furthest to my left, looking from the back, but you lift up and you pull back, and then it releases. So lift the far one, the back part of it, lift it up and then pull it towards you, pull it toward the back, and that comes loose. So that chair is out of the way. Next one is the middle one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to lift it. There we go. So we lift the back up and pull back, and then it releases. Okay, so we have these all released. Now we can fix the middle one. So we finally got these chairs apart, and the way it was done was to get this piece here and this piece to slip out of this slot. Had to go up first, right? Up. You can't just go back and won't do anything. You got to go up, and then you come out at a 45-degree angle. Same for the front one to release. So we're going to bring the middle one back. We're going to be replacing this part here, this cable, which hooks to a latch, which allows you to do the reclining. Just releases a pin. We just have to replace this because the cable broke. We can see when we get this back into position. Normally there's a handle connected here, and as you pull the handle, pulls back on this, and that causes the release. So we've got the new part. Just have to remove some screws. Should be easy. So here's the new assembly, and here's the old one. So it looks like this part broke off, this handle right there. So hopefully this new design will last a little longer. This only, I think, lasted maybe 2 years. And first thing we'll do is take out these 4 Phillips head screws that are holding in this assembly. So we got the old one out, and the new one. So I just got this from Amazon.com. I'm sorry I don't have the part number. It's pretty inexpensive. So I'm just going to put the screws back in the same holes, get it at the same attitude it was previously. A little bit of a diagonal. Just get these started by hand. You can see that handle is up where you can get to it in between the two, but it's not way up there. It's actually hidden, but it's not down low where you'd have to really dig for it. So that's a good position. Just going to tighten those up. Okay, got those tight. Here's the new one. And I'll go ahead and take out the old one. we can see this piece and this piece are the same, and they're just, this piece is just pushed in, then it clicks. So we're going to just pry that one out, and this one should be easy, right? We're just going to go in at an angle, should come right out once we get this piece out. So just pull pretty hard, it'll come out. And then we're going to get this one out by moving around the angle, right? So that was the bottom one. Let's try the top one. Maybe that's better. That's where it was originally. Go in there, get this around, put this in, click it in. Got it. All right. Yeah, it looks like if you're up higher, you have more leverage, right? So maybe that's better. Lift up. Yeah, there we go. Pretty good action. Okay, we're going to put these chairs back together. So these pins here, and these has to go into these slots. So I'm going to put this one down first. So the back one, I'm going to lift it up, drop it in. There we go. These pins go in these slots. There we go. So I lifted it up. Okay, I got the back one in. Front one's not in yet. Go around to the front. Front one, I'll lift it up. Push to my side a little bit. Okay, I think I got them. Now I'll pull this one toward me. Should lock it in. Okay. Cool. And now we have this handle again, so if we want to use this middle recliner, we can lift, and we got it. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.